Microsoft confirms issues in Windows 11 KB5036980 which added start menu ads. Most people do not care about optional Windows updaters, but that not the case with Windows 11 KB5036980, which became a hot topic after we first spotted ads in the start menu. Some people who installed the KB5036980 optional update are now running into new issues, and Microsoft has confirmed the reports in a feedback hub post first spotted by Windows. Several users complained that they are getting 0x800700520 error message when they try to change their account profile picture. The error is mostly experienced on the devices with a local account only, which means you won't run into you use a Microsoft account. The error block user from changing the profile photo because Windows 11 can no longer save the picture. AppData / roaming / Microsoft / Windows / accounts picture. Here a screenshot from my device. Microsoft has updated the feedback hub post to confirm that it's aware of the reports and has already made changes in the internal builds. This means the May 2024 optional update should fix it in the preview builds, and June 2024 patch Tuesday will patch the bug for everyone. I originally spotted and highlighted the broken profile photo settings in KB5036893, which was released on April 9 as a mandatory patch Tuesday update. It's turned out the bug is also present in KB5036980, which is in the news for the start menu ads. This time it is more widespread. In the other words, if you do not experience any problems after the April 2024 patch Tuesday, it is more likely that you will encounter the error with the KB5036980 optional update. In a statement, Microsoft support staff told me the company is investigating error code 0x800700520 when users change their profile picture from start, settings, accounts, your info, and then select choose a file. Microsoft confirmed the 0x800700520 error affects the last two Windows 11 updates, KB5036893 mandatory and KB5036980 optional update, which adds to the start menu. We are working on a resolution and will provide an update in coming release, the company added. 0x800700520 is not a new error code. It's been around since the early days of Windows 8 and it's typically associated with the Microsoft Store. How to fix the broken profile photo settings in Windows 11? If you are seeing account picture error, this picture could not be saved. Additional problems: information code 0x800700520, correlation ID 8979232 C863-402D-8615-2C06B6-3E2883. Message: you can fix it by following these steps. Open File Explorer and paste the following directly in the address bar. Manually copy and upload the profile photo in .png format. For example, you can upload dogs.png and will use the image as your computer profile photo. Reboot your device and new profile photo will reflect everywhere. Other issues in KB5036980 optional update. It's worth noting the KB5036980 is an optional cumulative preview update, which means it won't download or install automatically unless you manually go to settings and click download and install under the update. KB5036980 is an interesting update because it adds to the start menu, but the worst case, it could wreck some devices. As reported by the folks on Reddit, Windows 11 optional April update broken their PC with a black screen for several hours. Another user pointed out they to reinstall Windows after installing the botch update. Yep, it broke my PC. I had to reset the CMOS to get into recovery and reinstall Windows. Now it's doing the same shit. Gonna roll back as soon as I can, but in assuming I don't have to reinstall again. One affected user noted in the post. Windows has also received a report from one user who experienced episode after the update, but I don't think these issues are widespread.